Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos. I'm going to start this project off, one of these Dollar Tree wooden chunky tags. I am going to cut off the price tag and the hanger. And then I am going to take and paint around the edges of the tag with some hunter green paint. It's like a dark hunter green. And I'm going to paint all around the edges, and then I am going to paint the back so that it all is cohesive. So I'm just going to go around those, and then once I get that all painted, I'm going to let that fully dry. And as you can see, I did the whole back. Once that's fully dry, I'm going to take this paper from Hobby Lobby. It's like a vintage Christmas paper. And I'm going to lay the tag on that and trace it out. And I tried to align the paper so that, like the whole wording of this quote on there that says compliments of the season is on the bottom of the tag. And as you can tell, I've used this paper for other things. So I'm going to cut that out. Once I have that all cut out, I'm going to Mod Podge that to the front. I'm just put a nice coat of Mod Podge. This paper is kind of thick, so I put a thicker coat of Mod Podge on to make sure that it holds really well. And I'm going to put that paper on there and then just smooth it out with my hands. And as you can see, the wording at the bottom, just make sure that's all aligned. And then I'm going to sand off the excess once that's fully dry. So I'm just going to go around and sand the edges. And I don't mind that it's going to take off some of the paint. I wanted that rustic look. So get that all sanded off. And then once I have that all sanded off, I'm going to take these little greenery picks that I had, and I'm going to lay those in the center of the tag. I just picked off 2 small ones off of a bigger one. Then I'm going to take a velvet bow that I made out of some green velvet ribbon. I'm going to glue that right to the center of that greenery. Kind of just arrange my loops and my tails. I basically just made 2 regular bows and then tied them together upside down on each other. Then I'm going to add a bell to the center, a little red bell. And then I'm going to put the hanger back on. So I just used some twine. And then I'm just going to push that through and then tie it off. And that is it. This project is finished. I think this turned out so super cute, and it was really, really easy to make. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you to make one. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.